smell good. You smell good. You got fucking hammered. I don't even know who the fuck are you. Give me that. Give me that. No, I refuse to get camera. I'll fucking kill you.
I refuse to get camera.
I can't. You fucking terrorizing me. I'll fucking kill you. No, it's camera. I see a camera. I would never do anything to you. You smell good. You smell good.
It's so mine.
Oh, God. Oh, yeah, you smell.
Doesn't that really smell good though?
Oh, that's your pussy.
Galvin?
I'm glad.
Galvin is my friend.
Galvin is my friend. Galvin is my friend. Galvin is my friend. Galvin is my friend. Galvin is my friend. Galvin is my friend.
Where is Galvin?
Galvin is my friend.
Where is Galvin?
Galvin is my friend.
Let's go get Galvin.
Let's go make out with Galvin.
That's
Okay.
fucked up.
Okay, wait. You fucked up.
Hey, breakfast activities is not something to mess with! Thank
Will
you.
Ferrell tastes good, doesn't it? He's eating breakfast.
Yeah. Galvin is my friend. Galvin is my friend.
Please don't eat my Will Ferrell
Galvin is my friend. Galvin is my friend. Kelly, you don't laugh at me. When I hit, what is that?
That's my computer.
What is that?
That's my computer.
No, this.
That's my computer.
That's your computer.
Yes.
No, you don't crash cars. I mean, you crash cars. You crash cars. You crash cars. Ow.
Oh my god.
Oh, that's electrical.
Yeah.
You might not want to put that in your mouth. You might.
Shut fucking up. Shut your mouth.
She said it.
She said it.
So
Who said it?
Who said it?
Tell you a good point.
Who said it?
She said it. Kelly said a great point. Like she said it. So obviously she said it. Where's Lindsay, that bitch? I gotta fucking puke. I don't even know where I am. Ow. I stop.